well, the Vincent, of course, is the Rolls Royce of motorcycles. There's just something about Vincent. The design work is just beautiful. The tank, I think it's the most beautiful motorcycle tank there is. The quality of the materials, it's all alloy, all stainless. Apart from that, there's some real innovations in the Vincent. The centre pivot frame, when no one else was using it, and invented their own hydraulic forks. But they created an aura, just something about it. And then I hatched a plot, I think I was about 17 or 18, that I wanted to build my own Vincent. You know, part of my idea was to bring that bike into the 21st century, using modern running gear, but preserving the centre pivot. And Suzuki modern upside down forks, the whole lot, to get the thing handling well, you know. So I just wanted to bring it up to modern standards completely. It's not trying to copy an Egley, it's trying to do something completely different, but preserve the ethos with that engine. I got on to John Mossy, JMC, in the UK, and he said he would make me an engine. He put his racing gearbox in, but I selected the low first gear because I wanted a road bike, not a race bike. I've been talking to a guy called Terry Prince, who's Australia's sort of guru on Vincent's, restorer and engineer. He worked for Fritz Egley for years, assembling and making Egley Vincents. I used Terry Prince's top-end kits, which bring it up to 600cc in each cylinder, so it's now 1200cc. You know, Terry's a very innovative engineer. He'd also designed this frame, which was a CNC milled oil-in frame, and so it brings rigidity to that frame. While Terry was doing all that engine work, I was trying to find someone to do bodywork for me. I think I was just Googling around and come across these guys called MotoRRetro, good old-fashioned coach builders, and brought the bike down to Vaughan. They got it. They got what I wanted, which is that sort of postmodernist look. Everything needed to be curved. And he said, yeah, we can do all of that. They were very patient with me. They listened to what I wanted. There was no sort of pushing me into something. It was great working with them at all times, you know. MotoRRetro did the tank, the subframe, and the fairing. The fairing was the most difficult part. It had 3 manifestations. I did some more sketches. I wanted to elongate the length of it, and so Vaughan got that. But I think it's pretty good. I guess there was some scepticism as to how it would go mechanically, because there were some doubters out there. I guess they were sceptical of some of my claims, but I don't think they quite realised that Terry's been in this game for a long time, and he knows Vincent's, and he knows what makes them tick. Yeah, getting close to finishing the bike, I was certainly getting excited, and I could tell straight away that it handles like a, what's the word, a gazelle. It's just light, you can flick it. It just felt like, I hate to say it, but a modern jump bike. Easily 100-mile-an-hour off the showroom floor. I still can't quite believe I've, got there. It's just so easy. The electric start, electronic fuel ejection, starts first time every time. One thing I'm really looking forward to doing is to getting on some of our Aussie roads with tight bends and hairpins and long sweepers and things to see what it can do. The thrill of going up the gears in a Vincent, it's just awesome.